Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to delete a topic of your feed, and this is a way you can train in your feed for your app for show to you just the content you want to consume. So the first step is go to the X application, and for example, if that tweet here, that post is the theme you don't have to know anything, the only thing you need to do is go to these 3 points in the right corner of the post, and you need to pick in no me interesa este post, this is not interesting, the post, or you can block here in the option of block that profile, and every time you see that post about that topic, the only thing you need to do is block that profile, or you can pick a no interesting, and you can delete that theme of your app. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.